it's Jesse, and welcome back to another video. And today I have slime. You see nothing now, except the word slime. You see nothing but the word slime.
Ooh.
And I own nothing of this, because I feel like this is copyright if I put it in a video.
Hello, I own this company.
I'm also here with my sister, Clem Kitty. Oh, apparently I don't know how to open slime. Oh my god, open! You stupid thing.
Stab.
I have used this before. The lid just went flying off my slime. This just went flying off. Why are you stabbing the slime? She has some too. Why are you stabbing it?
Because I can't.
I thought you said you were going to live stream.
My tablet is dying though.
Oh, it's dying.
It's at 6%.
Okay, people. Now we're just going to... This is the magical stuff, and now we're going to plop it into my hand.
Plop.
It's gross. It, like, melts. Like, look, it just melts. Ah, don't do this! It just melts in...
Melts.
You said it.
I said melts.
I said melts.
Milks.
Oh, it milks?
Melts.
It milks.
I got a back scratcher.
Oh, wait, I'm going to stab the slime with it. I'm stabbing the slime with a back scratcher.
I'm a wizard. I'm a wizard.
That's my wand, by the way.
And I got a marker.
By the way, you were on the camera.
I don't care.
Okay. For some reason, she doesn't want her face on the camera because she's too ugly.
Yes.
Put on your hat, you know.
I didn't bring it.
Oh, that is a first.
I know. I forgot it. And it's hanging up on my TV and I just left it.
That was a failure.
I mean, Jesse, look what I got stuck in there.
Wait, what did you get stuck?
Oh, were you?
She got a leaf stuck in her slime.
I got it out.
Yay. I'm playing with the slime. People, ew. How did my mom's hair get in this?
Ew, Jesse.
Stuff just went flying off my fingers. Okay.
Now it's on the camera. Move, and it moves. No, I mean move your hand. Well, it was on there.
Okay, I think that's enough video for now. But, bye guys. See you next time. Bye.